trade shows and networking events. This is a great strategy. There's nothing more effective than one-on-one meetings. And I share a story with you. I had a client who had a new product for the hair care market. And in looking at it, it was an accessory item. And the first thing that I recommended to her, and we did, is we go to a trade show. And the reason we went to the trade show is because we got a chance to check out competitive products. We were able to bring the product there and show it to potential licensees and get their feedback. Not necessarily that we're making a formal presentation, but showing them the product and getting a sense of whether this would be something they would be interested in licensing. And by the way, it's also a great place you can go if you're ready to make presentations and you want to showcase it. Here's a trick for you. One way to exhibit at a trade show, rather than take on the full expense of a booth and exhibit space, is you might want to consider sharing space. I had another client in the toy industry, new company getting into the business. Rather than spend the money for a very expensive show, they rented space from one of their distributors. A little tiny space. You don't need much, but it's a very low-cost strategy that you can use. They put you in front of the showroom, if you will, the trade show, of potential buyers who come by. Also, another little tidbit for you is that when you share a booth space with, say, a larger distributor, it also gives you a better presence. And it's something that is a lot more effective, especially when you're looking for potential licensees, to be in a larger booth space with a bigger company than it is to be in a smaller booth in the back of the trade show.